Hi, it's a family day long weekend and I'm going to try and get some work done. I got all these little chores to do before the metal comes in and I can finish off this skirt, but at the meantime what I'm doing is I'm just trying to figure out how this skirt's going to go together. So what I've done so far is put a piece in that's just a light piece. It's not being held in by a lot. And then what I did is on the other side here, all the way around, I had put in a 3 foot, so this is 3 inches between there and there, so it worked out perfect to have a 2x6 and a 2x6 equal 3 inch. Go figure. Put it around a bit. These are pressure treated scrap pieces of wood, so I'm going to need something for the middle just to give it some stability. And I'm just going to keep working on trying to secure this. I'm also working on the door at the other end right now, but again, I'm just digging out these while I can and putting them in where I find the wood. I might have to go buy some wood. And then I'm just working on the door. It doesn't want to fit. It's just off by a little bit, so I'm working on that. So there's all these little projects, and these are the ones that take forever. I'm sure anybody who's ever worked on any project, the big stuff goes pretty quickly and the little stuff takes forever. So we're just gonna keep working at it, and I'll show you what I'm getting up to as the day progresses. So as I was talking about the small jobs, so I'm trying to get this door to be straight. Now I was able to do the one side. I got a post in there to solidify the bottom. And I'll be putting bricks along the edge here. I'll make a little path in there to take up some of that space. And so the one side's all level and everything, it's all in place. But I can't put this in place yet because the door is too tight right here. Okay, so what I have to do, it was probably just the amount of maneuvering I did when I put it back together, is I have to take this piece right here off, right here. Take it off, move this. Somehow I'm gonna have to disconnect this piece as well. And then I'm gonna have to take a small piece off of here. Probably the thickness of this right about there. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a job. So I'm probably not gonna get that done this weekend. But yeah, this is what I've been working on. It's quite the dilemma when I don't really have much along the front or the back to put the metal and the styrofoam against. Like there's no binders or anything, so I gotta make them. So it looks like I'm back to the drawing board, and I'm gonna have to make a list of products that I need and get right back at it next weekend. Just 2 panels in. Can't put more in because the wind, before I can get the metal on, because the metal is what actually holds it together. So there's some fasteners in there, but not many. And again, a good strong wind, blow that all over the place. So like I said, I'm just getting some measurements now to figure out what I need for the metal plates or roofing or whatever you want to call it. Whatever I'm using roofing metal. So we'll see how that goes. I have to get some more treated lumber. We'll be getting that for next weekend. Alright, so I decided to put this in here. I had some 6x6 lying around that were just scrap. So I'm going to do that to the other side. I'm going to do it to this side as well. When I'm tired, I'm going to go home. And I want you all to have a good week and come back next week when I have a new video for you. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put a, let's say, I don't know, some kind of 2x12. And we'll kind of do that, and I'll end up with a shelf on both sides. So 2 for 1. It basically is just backing for, there's no attachments for any of the styrofoam or the metal, so now it has it. So that's what we're doing, and I'm all done. I'm just gonna go take a picture of the goats for you so you can have a little send off, some cute goats. Again, we'll see you next week.